Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know about you guys or where you're at, but it was just like 80 degrees and stuff, and already it's like, I think it was like 51 this morning. So it's starting to get a little bit cold here. So to you boost guys, that'll help you all out, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what is coming next for the Camaro. I did say that I was supposed to start getting the nitrous kit on and stuff, and I have. Right here's the bottle. Bottle is filled. And then I've already run the line. I have a lot of other stuff going here. Let me show you. So the line is gonna come back here to spare tire. Now I got a nitrous filter. It's optional to get one, but I would say I personally would run one because you just never know. You don't want anything stuck in your lines. I ran the line up through here and through the car. I've got the line actually coming right down here at your feet in the side, and it goes up and through the firewall. And I'll show you what I got up here. Let me, wherever that hood latch is, jeez, there we go. All right, and then over here, right now I just have it zip tied out of the way, but it comes up right here by the computer. Kind of hard to see in there. You can kind of see a glimpse of it. But goes through there, and then the nitrous, I'm not sure where I'm gonna hook up the actual, like, all the solenoids and stuff and the purge. I'm gonna figure that out later, but I do have it set up so that the line is up here and everything is ready to go. So just got to get some stuff on there, but I do have a couple of errands to run today, so I figured I could at least get a little bit of footage. So let's go on a drive. Let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and take a trip to advance here. We will see how a little POV footage goes. I definitely got to get this thing tinted, man. The windows are just so see-through. I hate it. I hate feeling like a fishbowl. So hopefully that'll get done in the near future too. Right now I'm just kind of working on the nitrous kit. I got a trash guy. But I figured we can take the car out for a little joyride. This car has pretty much any like tubular suspension part, just about really, that you can think of. So this car handles really well. Excuse my gauge because it's not currently hooked up, so it's just gonna read like 20 and 19.9, but that is not the air fuel ratio, so don't worry about it. See what she can do through a couple of corners. pull up to Advance now. So I shall be back. We will see what I can come up with. So I'll be right back. Alrighty guys, so back from Advance, I got a lot of random crap. I got a little bit of like window tint. I got a little breather because I want to put this on the valve cover instead of that stupid hose that always leaks. And a torch and stuff for whenever I'm getting ready to do the wires to hook up the nitrous kit. So got a couple of little things, and we will we'll see what the adventure beholds. Alright guys, I'm back at the garage, and I went ahead and with my Advance run, the tent did not go as planned, so I already give up on that. I hate window tint. I'll get it eventually, but I hate window tint. I did get this done, so I just got a little breather filter to put in here to get rid of this hose. So I just got to go get a little vacuum cap or something to plug this, but so much more clean. And that thing, oh my gosh, it leaks so bad. So to not have another hose there and in the way, that looks so much better. Of course I had to zip tie this though out of the way for now because I had the nitrous line zip tied to that hose. But overall it's looking a little bit cleaner. Can't wait until I actually get all the nitrous stuff hooked up and it's not just a jumble of mess. But yeah, so we'll get into that later. So I'm getting a couple things set up right now for the nitrous. I just got the window switch as well. That is a nitrous outlet window switch. I chose theirs because I saw a lot of really good reviews on it, so we will see how it works. But stay tuned. We'll get this nitrous kit put on, and it won't be long. I'm just gathering up some more stuff at the moment, but stay tuned for the next video. And thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day. Thank you.